Just got your Galaxy Buds Core and not sure if you're charging them the right way? Here's the correct way to charge everything in seconds. First, let's start with the earbuds. Open the case and place both earbuds inside. Make sure left and right are seated properly. Once you close the lid, inside the case you'll see a light turn on. This shows the earbuds are charging. When that light changes or turns solid, it means your earbuds are fully charged and ready to use. Now, let's move to the charging case itself. Plug a USB-C cable into the back of the case. Look at the LED on the outside. If it shows red, your battery is low. Yellow means medium charge, and green means your case is fully charged. If you ever don't see any light while charging, just adjust the earbuds inside the case. They might not be aligned properly. And that's it. Now your Galaxy Buds Core are charging the right way, and always ready when you need them.